Imagine if every skill you needed to succeed was laid out clearly for you. No more guessing, no more wondering if you're on the right path. Almost every RPG game holds the secret to mastering real-life challenges. And once you start to use this perspective in real life, you'll transform how you approach personal development, relationships, and financial success. So what's the secret? RPG skill trees. Skill tree planning means not just seeing your ultimate goal as something you achieve, but as something that emerges from skills and behaviors that connect with each other. This is a holistic view of personal and professional growth. Each node on the skill tree links together with smaller skills and habits to help you unlock your ultimate abilities. They all fit together. But first, you have to set a clear goal because you can't hit what you're not aiming for. Step 1, pick a goal and name it. Maybe you're going for charisma amplifier. Get better at talking and connecting with people to be more liked in social and work settings. Or maybe you want to develop efficiency engine. Improve your ability to manage time and tasks to get more done. Or maybe you want to develop wellness warrior. Work on being healthy in body and mind to live a balanced and energetic life. So what do you do after you've picked an exciting goal? What small skills help you reach your big skill? To find these small skills, break down your big goal into smaller parts. Think about what behaviors, knowledge, and habits you need to support this goal. For each main goal, find the skills that help you succeed. For some skills, like improving your mindset, this creates different areas, different buckets to develop. For other skills, like playing a guitar, this tells you exactly what to practice. For the charisma amplifier, you might need active listening. Pay close attention to what others are saying, understand their message, respond well, and remember key points. You'd also want to develop nonverbal communication. Get good at using body language, facial expressions, and eye contact. You'd probably also want to work on public speaking. Learn to speak confidently and clearly to an audience, whether it's big or small. You'd want to develop persuasive writing, so you know how to put ideas together to persuade others effectively. And the last one that we'll go through is emotional intelligence, being able to recognize, understand, and manage your feelings and those of others. Each of these skills helps you to become better at influencing and connecting with people, moving you towards your goal of becoming more charming and charismatic. If one skill is tough, break it down to further smaller skills that you know you need to master first. So you've now set your big goal and the smaller prerequisite skills needed to achieve it. But don't be tempted to make the biggest mistake that new adventurers make. In RPGs, you can't use high-level skills without learning several basic skills first, and it's the same with real-life goals. For example, the Guitar Dynamo ultimate skill can't be unlocked until you've learned strumming patterns and basic chord knowledge. This step-by-step progress ensures that you are fully prepared when you reach your big goal. Don't skip the basics. Every skill counts. Using the RPG skill tree this way to plan your life helps you line up your efforts in a meaningful order, making sure that every skill that you learn is a step towards your biggest goals and your ultimate life. This method not only makes your path to the goals clear and organized, but also shows you how you're moving closer to a better version of yourself. You get to reward yourself for the progress that you're making and for showing up every day and collecting XP. Good luck, have fun. Peace.